Welcome to the next module in our training series, where we'll explore the process of adding overlays to your slides in VideoCom Presenter. By incorporating these elements, you can significantly enhance your slides' visual appeal and engagement. In this module, we'll cover how to add various elements as overlays, including camera, images, videos, text, webpage, and screen. By integrating these elements into your slides, you can create captivating presentations that will keep your audience interested and fully engaged. Let's dive into the world of overlays and elevate your slides to the next level.
In this module, we'll be working with the investor pitch deck that was imported into VideoCom Presenter during the first module. First, open the Google Slides in your browser and duplicate the initial slide. With this step complete, you should now have two identical slides. Now, reopen VideoCom Presenter. You'll notice that only one instance of the first slide is currently displayed. To update the presentation, click on the Resync button. When prompted, confirm that you'd like to update the presentation in VideoCom Presenter by selecting Resync. Your slides will then be updated. With two identical slides in place, we'll keep the first slide as is and focus on the second slide. Our goal is to replace the existing image with a live webcam feed. To do this, click on the camera button located on the right side of the window. If you have multiple cameras connected, choose the desired option from the available list. Position the webcam window on the slide by adjusting its size and location. You can easily resize and reposition the frame by clicking and dragging its corners. Ensure the webcam feed perfectly covers the existing image. Once you've removed your background, proceed to adjust the colors to achieve the desired appearance. Now you can seamlessly transition from the first slide to the second, where your webcam feed will replace the original image for a cohesive presentation experience. Now let's add a copyright notice to all our slides. To do this, we'll begin by adding a text element as an overlay on the current slide. Click on the text icon located in the toolbar on the right side of VideoCom Presenter. A text field will appear in the upper left corner of your slide. Don't worry, you'll be able to adjust the size and position of this field. Enter copyright 2023, Foodie.com Incorporated into the text field. After typing the text, select it and modify the font and size to achieve your desired look. Additional styling options include color, italics, and bold. Text fields can also be used to create numbered or bulleted lists. Furthermore, you can adjust the alignment of the text within the field. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of the text field, simply drag it to your preferred location on the slide. Naturally, you'll want the copyright notice to appear on all slides in your pitch deck. To achieve this, simply select the text field and click on the Apply to All button. You'll be asked to confirm if you wish to apply this text overlay to every slide. Click Apply and VideoCom Presenter will handle the rest. Afterward, review each slide to ensure the notice is visible and reposition it as needed. Adding a semi-transparent logo to all of your slides can create a consistent and professional look without being too distracting. To do this, follow these steps in VideoCom Presenter. 1. On the current slide, click the image's icon in the toolbar on the right side. 2. You'll be prompted to choose an image source from three options. Locate an image on your computer. Locate a previously uploaded image on VideoCom Cloud. Choose an image from Unsplash. 3. For this demo, let's use an image from VideoCom Cloud. Select the image and click Add Image to insert it into your slide. 4. Before applying the image to all slides, resize it using the corner handles and reposition it by dragging it to the desired location on your slide. 5. If needed, crop the image to focus on the essential parts. Click the Crop button, adjust the corner pins, reposition the image, and click Apply Crop when ready. 6. Optionally, flip the image horizontally or vertically using the Flip button. To undo the flip, click the button again. 7. Click the Settings icon to modify additional image attributes. For now, adjust the transparency setting to make the logo less prominent on your slides. 8. Finally, use the Apply to All button to add this image overlay to all your slides. Your slides will now feature your logo with a semi-transparent effect, providing a cohesive and professional appearance throughout your presentation. Adding a video to your presentation can be a great way to showcase your product. In this module, we'll add a video to the 4th slide. Follow these steps to insert a video using VideoCom Presenter. 1. Click on the videos icon in the toolbar on the right side. You'll be prompted to choose a video source from 2 options. Locate a video on your computer. Locate a previously uploaded video on VideoCom Cloud. 2. For this demo, we'll upload a locally saved video. Drag and drop the video file to the upload window or locate it manually on your computer. 3. Once added, resize and reposition the video to cover the existing picture on the slide perfectly. With the video selected, you have access to various playback controls. Use the play and pause buttons to control the video during your presentation. Start the video once you've finished speaking about the slide. Adjust the video's volume or mute it if you don't want the audience to hear it. For more options, click the Settings wheel. Enable video looping, which is useful if you want to speak over the slide while the video plays without knowing the exact duration of your talk. Set VideoCom Presenter to remember the playback position, allowing you to return to the slide and resume the video from where you left off. Additionally, you can modify the video's brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and transparency. You can even rotate the video for a unique touch to your pitch deck. In this module, we'll demonstrate how to showcase your marketing efforts across various social media platforms to potential investors using the website overlay feature in VideoCom Presenter. First, add a blank slide to your presentation. Then, follow these steps. Click on the website icon in the toolbar on the right side. Paste or type the URL of the website you want to display. Once done, reposition and resize it as desired. Repeat this process for each social media platform or website you want to include in your mosaic. By creating a visually appealing display of your marketing efforts, you can effectively demonstrate your dedication and investment in promoting your business to potential investors. Pro tip: you may have observed how the 4 overlays seamlessly position themselves on your slide. This was made possible by enabling the Snapping When Positioning Elements feature in VideoCom Presenter's general settings. Snapping ensures the precise placement of overlay elements within your presentation, making it easier to create a polished and professional appearance. Now it's time for us to tackle an essential part of your investor pitch deck, discussing financials. To demonstrate the impact of different scenarios on revenue, we'll share our screen to display a special Excel file. VideoCom Presenter makes it easy to add your full screen or a specific window as an overlay on your slide. Start by adding a blank slide to your presentation. You can modify the background color to create a distinct look and feel for the financial section of your pitch deck. Follow these steps to add your Excel file as an overlay. Click on the screen icon in the toolbar on the right side. You'll be presented with 2 options. Monitor capture, suitable for displaying your full screen, especially if you have multiple monitors. Window capture displays a list of currently open windows that can be added to your slide. Choose the second option and add your Excel file. Once done, reposition and resize it as desired. Now, as you modify data in your Excel file during your recording, your audience will see the changes in real time. This dynamic presentation style allows you to effectively demonstrate the impact of various financial scenarios on your business. In this module, we'll walk you through the process of incorporating financial information from a PDF file created by your accounting team into your VideoCom Presenter project. Since we've already added a presentation to our project, we'll need to use overlays to include this vital financial data. We'll accomplish this in 2 steps. Step 1, convert the PDF file into JPEG images. To begin, visit www.ilovepdf.com and navigate to PDF to JPEG. Select the PDF file from your computer. In the PDF to JPEG options on the right side of the window, choose Page to JPEG. This option will convert each page into a separate image. Download the archive containing the images and extract them to a location on your computer where you can easily find them. Step 2. Import the images into new slides. In VideoCom Presenter, create a blank slide and apply the color previously chosen for your financial slides. Click on the images icon in the toolbar on the right side and select the first image from your computer. Once done, reposition and resize it as desired. Add your webcam as an overlay to this slide. Next, return to a slide that already has the copyright notice. Select the text overlay and click the Apply to All button. This will add the copyright notice to your latest slide. Repeat this process with your company logo. Now this slide has 4 overlays: webcam, copyright text, logo, and budget. You can reorder these overlays to control which one is in the background and which one is in the foreground. To do so, either right-click on an overlay and choose the options to send it backward, to the back, forward, or to the front, or select an overlay and click the Order button in the upper right toolbar. From this menu, you can also delete an overlay or lock its position to prevent any further changes to its position. This feature ensures that your financial presentation remains organized and professional looking. Last but not least, we'll show you how to create an impressive visual effect by integrating yourself into a slide while partially removing your background. This technique adds a 3D effect, enhancing the overall appeal of your presentation. First, navigate to your marketing slide and add your webcam as an overlay. Once you've done that, select the overlay and click on the Settings button. You'll be presented with 3 options for your background. Keep the original background. Fully remove your background. Partially remove it. Choose the third option, which is to partially remove your background. Using the handles on both sides of your overlay, you can crop the area where the background should be removed. Make sure that half of your image still retains the original background. Position yourself in such a way that half of your image appears on the presentation, creating a sense of depth and achieving a 3D effect. This simple yet powerful technique adds an extra layer of visual interest to your presentation, leaving your audience amazed.
In this online training module, you've learned how to enhance your presentations using VideoCom Presenter by adding various overlays such as camera, images, videos, text, web pages, and screen captures. You've explored how to create cohesive and professional slides with elements like copyright notices, logos, and embedded videos. Additionally, you've learned how to integrate financial data from PDF files, showcase your marketing efforts on social media platforms, and share real-time updates on financial scenarios using screen captures. Finally, you've discovered how to create a visually stunning 3D effect by partially removing your background. By mastering these techniques, you can create engaging and visually appealing presentations that captivate your audience.